Episode of Learn English with Fun.
Yes, hello friends. It's always good to see you here. And today, oh boy, I'm excited about this one.
Yeah, today's topic is something we all love. Phones, smartphones, selfies, apps, calls, everything.
Right, because let's be honest, a phone is like a best friend. Some people can't live without it for even 5 minutes.
Totally. So today, we'll practice daily English conversation about buying and using a new phone.
Perfect for beginners, right?
Exactly. Simple, clear English you can use anywhere. At a shop, with friends, or in your office when talking about phones.
Wait, before we start, quick question for everyone listening.
Oh, here we go. The famous question time.
Tell me honestly, how many hours do you spend on your phone every day?
Oof, that's a dangerous question.
Come on, don't hide. I think for most people, it's at least 5 to 6 hours.
Easily. Between social media, YouTube, calls, and messages, time just flies.
Exactly. So today, let's make that phone time useful by learning real English you can use while talking about your phone or buying a new one.
So welcome again, everyone. I'm Rafal.
And I'm Saira. Together, we help you speak English confidently through real-life conversations.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to practice daily, one step at a time.
Exactly. English is like charging your phone. Do it regularly, and you'll always stay powered up.
Nice one. Okay, so today's theme, talking about a new phone.
We'll learn how to describe your phone, ask questions in a mobile shop, and talk with friends about buying a new one.
And of course, we'll teach you useful vocabulary and daily English phrases you can use right away.
Okay, let's start simple. Suppose you just bought a new phone. How would you talk about it in English?
Good question. Let's try this mini conversation.
Hey, wow, is that a new phone?
Yeah, I just bought it yesterday.
That's awesome. Which model is it?
It's the new Galaxy X12. It has an amazing camera and a super fast processor.
Nice. How much did it cost?
It was around 80,000 rupees, but totally worth it.
Ooh, fancy. Does it take good selfies?
Of course. Let's take one right now.
See how simple that was? These are real sentences you can use every day.
Exactly. You can replace the phone model or price and make it your own.
Let's learn a few useful words from that dialogue.
Sure. Here we go. 1. Model. The version or name of the phone. Example. Which model is your iPhone? 2. Processor. The main chip that makes the phone fast. Example. This phone has a powerful processor. 3. Worth it. Something that gives good value for the price. Example. It's expensive but totally worth it. 4. Selfie. A photo you take of yourself. Example. Let's take a selfie. 5. Camera quality. How clear or sharp your photos are. Example. The camera quality on this phone is amazing.
Great. Let's continue our conversation. Now imagine you're at a mobile shop looking for a new phone.
Totally. Okay.